Got really, really bad back today. So, even though... Oh, yes? I'm going up to the greenhouse. You coming? Yes, it's up there. Okay. Despite having a really, really bad back, there's work to do. So, I'm not going to be able to do much, but I am going to get some of them. So, my troughs are dry. I've got to water my tomatoes. I am going to fill at least one trough, water, and sow some beans. So something that I need to do before I even think about doing the troughs is where the troughs are going, I need to sweep. I'm definitely not going to be able to sweep the entire greenhouse with a bad back, but if I move a couple of plant pots around ever so slightly, and the smaller ones, I'm going to sweep this particular part. So this corner, I'm going to get sweeping. Beans are in, but the sweeping definitely isn't in anywhere yet, but it will be soon. Oh, and with a bad back, sweeping ain't much fun. But if I don't clear out the old, it's just going to harbour more pests. Now, I can combat some pests, granted, and I don't use chemicals. I can do some pests, but I can't do all. So, the good thing is, keep a clean house. Wow, clean greenhouse. Okay, this is all now swept. Just here. Now, the first line in my defence is cooking salt. What I will do, where the troughs are going, on the floor, and spread some salt, because slugs like to sit in dark, damp places, and a lot of the time that is under the troughs, but they won't go near salt. Now, warning, don't put salt anywhere near your plants. Where plants are absorbing water, salt on soil, salt in plants, death. Please don't. Both of my trays have, both of my troughs have a tray underneath. So that salt is underneath the tray where the water is of the plants. So it's not going to harm the plants, but it will harm slugs and snails when they come into contact. Okay, 2 troughs. One that is ready and waiting for tomatoes, and one that is about half filled, roughly, but my back is not going to handle picking up a brand new bag of tomato compost right now. So half is fine. What I'm going to do now is just give them some water. Just so that they are ready to accept the tomatoes when I put them in. Now this trough has got a special corner, because what goes in here, in fact I'll put it in now because I don't need it in the other one just at this moment. Hang on. Apologies for all the shaking. I have a little water indicator because there is, all the soil is about 1.5 inches from the bottom of the trough. It is being held up by a plastic retainer, as it were, and underneath all the water goes. And that little red blob will move up to indicate how much water is in the trough. If there's too much, there is a little water inlet. Sorry, I'm struggling with my backhand recording. There is a little water inlet in the middle of the trough that will allow the water to come out. But for now, that is all ready to accept the tomatoes and possibly the pepper when needs be. And the wildlife will carry on being curious. Now, shall we start the giveaway? All you need to do is pick 3 and comment the keyword down below to be entered and be a subscriber that is public. If you're not public or unsure, leave a message and I will let you know whether you are public or not. But I am going to do things slightly differently, like I said. So watch out and be prepared to comment down below if this is your kind of thing. Everything starts now, the 2nd of March, and will go until the 16th of March, just after 4 p.m. GMT. So let's go. Let's kick off with Royal Blue Sweet Pea, Cherry Bell Radish pre-packed, Forget Me Not pre-packed, Lavender Coconut Ice, Sweet Pea Everlasting, could be any of these colours. Same with these Sweet William singles. Radish French Breakfast 3 pre-packed, Nemesia bicolour, Lupin the Govenor will be pre-packed, or my garden has purple. Here we have Fescue Campanularia, Cornflower Black Ball, Cornflower Blue Boy, Cerinthe Major, Veronica Speedwell, Borrage, nice herb, amazing blue flower, Blue Fescue grass, standard cornflower, but also your keyword is happy. In a sentence down in your comment to be able to enter. Here we have Hibiscus Bluebird and the Moonflower Datura, Morning Glory Heavenly Blue, Echium Blue Bedder, Pink Flamingo Poppy, White Foxglove, Swansdown Poppy, Wisteria, need a lot of patience for that one, Amaranthus Love-Lies-Bleeding, Statice Blue, Purple and White Cabbage Tulip, Giant Poppy Mix, pinks, purples, reds, the Tavva Chantrieri, huge, and the Caribbean Gems. All of the flowers, you need to pick 3. You will get them sent out to you anywhere in the world, but please read the rules below and don't forget your keyword. All closing on the 13th of April, so good luck to you.